Hi guys, and welcome back to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Absima Mamba 7. This is an absolutely mammoth 1/7 scale desert buggy with a snake theme, with a mamba theme. It's pretty cool. The only thing that I can't quite get over is the eyes, the lights as eyes. Kind of reminds me of a childhood TV show with a truck which has eyes. Don't love it when they do that, but let's get this thing open and have a closer look. So the Mamba, again, is absolutely massive, 1/7 scale, so that's pretty much the biggest thing that we sell. It comes with a programmable 150 amp ESC and a full 282 size brushless motor with 2000 kilovolts. For those of you that don't know your motor sizes, that is absolutely mammoth. And when we get this thing open and look at the wheels and compare it up against the 1/8 scale buggy that I've got right next to it, you'll see how big this thing actually is. As with most Absima products, it comes really well packaged, comes with a load of stickers and goodies, and comes with a load of stuff. So you see, this is the tire. This is about double the size of the 1/8 scale buggy in the background, so it's absolutely massive. Comes with a load of screws to screw into the tires and into the wheels, to make sure that the tires don't come off, because this thing is so powerful and the tires are so big. Comes with extra battery straps, comes with a wheelie bar and a couple of other spares in there and a few tools. And obviously the other 4 wheels, that comes with 5 wheels in total. One's meant to go on the back, just like a load of other sand buggies. It comes with a spare tire on the back, and it comes with the Absima radio gear. I think it's the CR4S, which is a decent remote control for the money. Takes 4 AA batteries and has all the settings you're going to need to fine-tune your radio.
Next door?
Yeah, in the room next door.
Why is it that loud?
It's the cooling fans.
Why does it need a fan?
So this one comes in both green and orange, both really cool, vibrant colors. Bodywork and all the kind of accessories that they've added to it, really nice touches. So whilst I don't love the positioning of the lights to make them look like eyes, they do work. And it's got a light bar across the top of the cabin. It's got a little dude in there. It's got fire extinguishers. Like I say, oil shocks. This one takes 2. It is. So it's a 6S setup, so 6 cells. So it takes 2 3S batteries, one either side at the back, and they take XT90 adapters. To be honest, I'd probably put adapters on the adapters, so I'd probably convert this down to XT60. I'm not a massive fan of XT90 because it's just a bit big, and we hardly have any availability of XT90 batteries, especially at only 3S. But I think you'd agree that it looks pretty stunning. And with the wheels on, it's going to look absolutely massive. This is just an unboxing today, so we're not going to get it out, but I'll try and add a few clips of this running from elsewhere, or add some links in the description below. Please do like, follow, and subscribe. It helps us keep our media costs down and helps us reduce costs. And head over to radiocontrol.co.uk to check out RC cars like this and a load of others.